From the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center, I'm RTV6 meteorologist Todd Clausen. It's a Storm Team 6 alert day with a high impact for the area. Severe weather will move through. The timing is between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. We will likely have all forms of severe weather throughout the area today. Hail's the greatest threat with damaging wind as well. And we'll likely have at least a few tornado warnings at some point throughout the day today across parts of the area. So here's how it plays out. Any storms you see before the noon hour could produce some locally heavy rainfall, but will likely not be severe. So once we get into that 2 to 10 time frame that these isolated storms will start to develop, those have the best potential to produce an isolated tornado and the large hail. Then more of a line of storms will come through later on this evening. That would be the wind event. Tomorrow will be a nasty day, completely different than today. Temperatures 35 to 42, rain and snow showers, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, putting wind chills down in the 20s. And with that cold air wrapping around, we'll deal with some scattered rain and snow showers across the area. And tomorrow night into Friday, there could be some minor accumulation to the north. Now here's the trade-off. The weekend looks beautiful. Saturday morning could be some patchy frost, but with mostly sunny skies up to 62. Sunday, very mild with sunshine, a high temperature of 74 degrees. Then as we get into next week, temperatures still above normal with some scattered showers on Monday and Tuesday, but definitely be weather aware throughout the course of the afternoon and evening hours today, as we will likely be dealing with at least some forms of severe weather.